Good afternoon. I'm at South Holston today. Looks like we're going to have some on and off rain. I've already got some inline spinners lined up to try out, so I guess that's what I'm going to try to throw. I might have to pull them around, kind of waking the surface to get anything, but we'll give it a shot and see what we can catch. Oh man, whatever this is good. I'm going to try to keep him pinned. Oh, it's a bass. It's a good one. He's pretty good anyway. Nice. Let's get that treble out of you. Got my clippers. Should be able to get it pretty easy. Hang in there. There we go. Nice bass. Big old male. Whew. Feels pretty good. I'd say he's about 15 inches. Maybe a little bit bigger. Let's get him back. Ooh. See ya, buddy. Got something here. Oh, it's a decent bluegill. Not too shabby. I think I might need the clippers for this one too. Yeah, swallowed that treble. Well, that's not too bad. It's just one of them really in there. There we go. It's not a bad size one. See you, buddy. Hey, I got a little one here. Oop. Easy. Little dude, see ya. Got something on. Looks like a little bass. Yep. Another little one. Still fun though. See you, bud. There we go. He's not as big as that one, but he's bigger than the other one I got. Easy, buddy. Oh, I believe that's a spot. Yep, little tooth patch. See you, buddy. Got something here. Oh, a little baby one. Must have been hungry. Super small. See you, buddy. Yeah, I'm not really sure what brand this one is. I think it might be a rooster tail. But anyway, I had to straighten up the shank here. It was getting a little bent. And also, I got caught in a rock and it took off one of the hooks off my treble here. It's like, it'll still work, but it just won't be as effective. Little gill. See you, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Had a good time throwing the inline spinners. Caught some good fish, and that one was pretty big, like 15 inches or so. And if you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you like inline spinners, comment below which ones you like to use. And thanks for watching.